insomma l-pija kollu sew. Il-weekend u hekk, alright, sibt. Aħna qegħdin narawk mill-każin. Mela ħajkolkom x'taraw. Illum ħankomplu chapter 4. Safe haven. Għanna stilla.
Hiya, pal. Got something I want to talk to you about. In here. I heard what you did above. What you survived. If it's all true, then we need your help. The voice out there, the one in the prison, they called him the Doctor. Dr. Harley Sawyer. He was the scientist in charge of creating us. We don't know what he is, how he's still alive, but he works with the prototype. Hunting us, starving us, making us sick and... He controls it all with an omni-hand, we think. The executives used them. It's a battery, a key, the master control to anything in the entire factory. And with it, he commands everything down here. Everything but this. Runs completely on its own grid, away from the prison. For a time, it kept us safe. But now, I need you to stop the Doctor. To take his omni-hand. We'll need it for the generator. And if you want red smoke in the Foundation, you'll need it too. The toys out there, in Safe Haven. They're my family. I understand what Poppy wants, what she believes is right. Destroy the factory, destroy him.
Naqra ċertu kummenti, qed nipprova noqgħod kwiet imma naqra ċertu kummenti ma nistax.
But I ask you to consider, if we throw everything away, everyone, just to kill the prototype, how much do we waste? I know the others might believe it's right, that we should bury everything, but let's just think about it. Head for the infirmary whenever you're ready to leave. There's sewer access inside. That's your safest path to the no man's land. And to him. But if you need to catch your breath, our safe haven is also yours.
Hey. Find and defeat the Doctor. Xejn ħamen dan. Nerġa' nipprova. Għalet n-ġaw mura l-għura minna naħseb. Naffrontaw.
So sore. Haven't been able to move for hours. Stay away from me. My stomach. It hurts. Mine too.
When's the last time you ate?
وش tape orange شبكة.
Please, do you have any food?
Way down. So, this is what we have to work with.
Do you believe it's doable?
Sure, yeah. It's doable.
Good. Remember, our timetable here is tight. If there's anything you need from me, do not hesitate.
Actually, I've got something I want to talk to you about. It's important.
I'm listening.
My company. We've built a lot for you over the years, and believe me, we've always been accommodating. We just did the work you paid us to do.
And your point here is?
I don't like what I'm supposed to be building here. Look, the game station, whatever, it'll be fun for the kids. Underground production plants, sure, maximize production. Makes a kind of sense, as much of any of this, I suppose. But this, what in the world would a toy company need with a prison? When my people were building Playcare, all Mr. Ludwig could talk about was how much good it could do. And all you needed was a look at the man to know he believed every word of it. I need to hear that this is still the same company. If we're gonna make this thing for you, then I need that assurance. It's a game. Something for the kids. Anything. Mr. Ritterman?
Let me give you a bit of history, friend. In 1972, you signed a contract, a legally binding piece of paper that says whatever is asked of you, you do it. We asked. You did. In 1990, you signed another. A renewal. In it, had you bothered at all to read it, you'd have found a small clause. Any and all directives will be accomplished in the appropriate time and with appropriate compensation should the project be completed to satisfaction. Your name rests at the bottom of that document, and I remember because it was the ugliest bit of cursive I've ever seen. So now you do the work, because we've given you a directive.
Mr. Ritterman, we're near the...
Yes. Yes, we are. All of us are. On a ledge. Great things are coming. Great things that will someday make a lot of people very happy. But to do so, to make that dream real, we need this. Otherwise, there's a place we're all for. Together. I'm a businessman, Mr. Silver, and I don't like to get angry. I get paid to see that things get done. And this, like everything else, will get done.
Okay. So, mill-istajt nifhem. Kellhom forsi jistgħidu kontrattur kien jibnilhom il-partijiet ta' ġew il-fabbrika u taħt meta kienu qed jagħmlu l-expansion isfel. Naħseb kien daqsxejn reluctant jibnilhom il-ħabs. Okay, jew xi interess. Fejt il-għojdejja.
think you might be wrong, Poppy. What you want...
It's the best for everyone, Dowie. That no trace of this place is left. We agree to that.
I know, but us, everyone in there, you're not just things gone wrong. We're people. Can't you see that?
I can. And I'm sorry.
They look up to me, Poppy, and I looked after them the best I could. You disappeared. You left us. We looked and we looked, and there was just nothing. No sign of you. Can you even tell me why?
I had to leave. I
Yeah,
had
as
no
well.
choice.
It's not good enough. We've starved down here. We've been haunted. And now you're asking us to burn everything? All of us? We've made our life protecting these toys. And they've saved us. More ways than one.
We Bobby. She needs you. Done what I could.
I wish there were another way, Dowie. But I just don't see it. We'll talk about this later.
Okay, so l-idea ta' Poppy li tolli kull mem fil qasir, ma Dowie u iktar reluctant għax jaf x'ħaj jiġri. Jekk jagħmel hekk. Jekk jagħmlu hekk. Hekk hawn xi logħab forsi. Għolja m'għandix qed noqrom il-karti li qed. Generator. Ma wissa li sekretara Mordor. Doris, welcome to the stream, Doris. Kalleja. Dal-pass kien wieħed mill-screenshots tal-dan screen. Da kien wieħed mill-screenshots li kien released qabel ma ħarġet il-logħba. Issa teasers kien. Jew mhux qed naqrahom forsi naqrahom imbagħad.
After a brief interruption, we've successfully extracted subject 1322, specifically 1322B from the home sweet home. Before said interruption, I attempted to detail the subject's condition and overview the suitability of one Kevin Barnes in relation to Project Dowie. The neural abnormalities noted in Dr. Newman's report are detailed in connection to behavioral issues demonstrated within play care. Trouble getting along with others, aggressive and often confrontational social tendencies, and an otherwise combative nature clearly relay that Kevin is, put simply, a problem child. What friends he does have, he's reported to have attacked in moments of intense play. These tendencies raise concerns. The subject excels in all physical tests. Reflexes, reaction time, and mental fortitude all tested well above average in game station examinations. So, in spite of said concerns, in Dr. Sawyer's eyes, Kevin is ideal for the project. However, if his use in this particular experiment is to move forward, we need to ensure we're not creating a time bomb just as we've begun stabilizing the entire project. If we're to create an experiment that can fulfill multiple assigned roles, we can't allow any single consciousness to throw the others off. Even a simple misregulation of emotions means we have 900 pounds of dough
that can shift however it pleases and can turn on even those it trusts, simply because it was overwhelmed by a stray feeling. Regardless, Sawyer's word is law, and subjects 1322A and C are to be gathered for processing first thing tomorrow morning. Thus, all we can do is plan our safeguards accordingly. Yes, that's all we can do.
Okay, minka beda jispiega ta' nixni li daw jandu problema ta' temperament. U li għabra għos jisu ma jistax jibda, jista' jdura dak li jkun. Dak li jkun ovvjament se jkun aħna. Żgur. Sira ħaġa ħin. Interessanti.
Hopefully, it's nothing. Might not be.
Interessanti. U għaksa dal-sfera. Għanna berri jaw. U għanna l-ċaħat n-berri. Ġibu għawnek għorsi. Issa. Alright, mela jena ġew immorru l-isfel. Thank you kulħadd li qed minnu likes qed tibgħatu l-gifts, vera napprezza, thank you. Vera napprezza. Kemm aħna tajbi ġbi. Għandna ċans il-lodja f'tejt. li sejru. Nżawad il-gaffa nkisru l-membija. Tuni minuta. Ovvjament, dak il-qasr li bdejt nisma' kien mill-ħajja reali. Ma kienx fil-logħba. Mela x'irridu nagħmlu? Daqshekk sempliċi. X'għandna interessanti hawn isfel. Konna ġej. Mux ħanedilkom ħafna ħin il-video. L-ewwel nett xtaqt nirringrazzjakom tas-support. Għax li tal-fatt li taraw il-videos u tagħmlu lil likes li jgħinni ħafna. Għax hawn nuqqas kbir ta' kontenut bil-Malti. It-tieni nett jekk jogħġobkom dan it-tip ta' kontenut, għamlu li follow fuq TikTok, subscribe fuq YouTube u jekk tridu tistgħu titlu wkoll fis-server ta' Discord. Hemmhekk ikun hemm kontenut tistgħu tagħmlu game suggestions. U hemm anki general chat fejn tistgħu tibagħtu u nkun qed nirrispondikom. X'imkien hawnhekk ħankun qed nikteb nikbilkom id-Discord biex tkunu tistgħu tfittxuh. Thank you, nerġa' nirringrazzjakom. Tistgħu tkomplu taraw il-video issa. Thank you. Kont nsejt li qedem f'dan il-biċċa. Mulej. Ma nistgħux niġru.
Like counter check please here.
Like counter check. Sissa 2.5k qed jibmarka għalija. Tikkempja fl-istess post jaqgħu. Il-biċċa ħatkun daqsxejn uġigħ tara s-sakemm li jisimha. سمعنا tajt. ما عنديش دافعيات نسمع ما عنديش دافعيات متوس فريات اوه يجي جرو عرفت بدون نسبو شي هاند سكانرز هسا يخفف عشان نطلعوا الجو نخلوهم أبدا واحدة بس dak l-ftin. Drej. Alright, nħaqna
5K.
il-5K, x'għandna xbin. Nżommu l-kelma. Wonderworld. Enjoy, sieħbi. Laħħaq ma t-nej mela. Issa, nizzomma kelli. Jahna jismaw 5,000 likes. Nibdu waħda minn daw. U għaw min persista biex nerfu għomżdu dawk il-5,000 likes. Jefenni underworld sabiħa. Xakoltant jena u Daniel li għad fil-live. Għabu naqra demonologist. Għafser xkolur. Origami, ejwa. Xkolur. Ejja. Isfar. Blu ma nafx jekkawx blu, għaw t-nej blu. Aħmar. Aħmar. Isfar, aħmar, ejja aħmar. Mux ħazi. Sataw kienu war. Waħda jonqos. Eżatt. Kolor ieħor ma' 10,000. Okej, da sajb għandna wisfel issa. Ejwa tal-lajt video ġdid. Laqs nofsija sijajlu naħseb. Sat nisimgħu. Dawn il-mobli. Li għabadni jissa t-bifer. Alright. Sabber li għana xaħlu din. Għalix għat jirtot. Bis-serjeta, għaw ħaj kambja. Issa nfetħet il-buttuna. Dok ċans jitlaq. Dak xkien. aħħar naqra. Sa skoprejt x'inhu dak il-ħoss. Isma' dak kif intafa' kollox hawn. Starbju. Uh-oh. Ħajaqbadna jej. Too close. Too close kienet. Too close.
I smell the fear.
Ġri bro. Ma nafx fejn jinsejjer, m'għandek bżonn tiġri. Ġejna barbecue. Bro. Iġri għax ħajlħaqna ħaddus. Nisna minnu.
Damn.
Kattiva kienet. Minn bat il-konfetti. Thank you Silla. Thank you tal-konfetti. Thank you tal-gold boxing glove. U tal-semi-heart attack. Next.
My pleasure.
Għalli għalik. Idħol ġol kapsjun. Idħol ġol kapsjun. La. Tape أحمر وشغله tape أحمر.
I need some help here! Hey!
Hey, watch the door! Watch the door!
Right here. Lock of entry.
There you go, bud. You're okay.
Okay! Look at me! I'm a mess!
Poppy? What's going on?
We were trying to bring supplies back up to the elevator, but we got jumped. Had to turn all the way back around.
They took everything we had! Right after one of them bit my leg!
How is he, Doc?
Not too bad. He'll live.
See?
Keep bite clean. Could get infected otherwise.
So, what do we do now?
For starters, you two stay here tonight. Let things settle down outside. I'll find more food for you to bring up to play care. When you're ready.
Thanks, Joey. Sorry we lost the supplies. It won't happen again.
The important thing is you're both okay. Aside from that bite, that is. Hey, Doc, let me grab some wound cream for our pal here. Oh, it's you! Is the doctor... No, don't suppose he is then. I've been here gathering parts for the generator. Lots. Hurts.
Alright, bro.
He's made it impossible for me to get around here. Traps like this are everywhere. It's the cold that hurts. The big mean doctor knows that.
Smajt mux kien miktub mal-ħajt, il-display salon. Ġa darbtej, provajt nitlaq. Ftakru sew f'chapter 2. U f'chapter 3.
Ah, and here you are. Just as I expected. It appears you are every bit what the prototype fears. And to think Playtime had someone of such rare quality and never noticed. Funny. I can't say I remember seeing your face before, but I'm curious. Why come back? It can't be that a vague letter was your only reason. Was there someone you loved here? Someone you'd lost? Was it the pain of not knowing for sure that brought you here?
Ma nix dak il-qattus uħu fuq. noqgħdu attenti minn dan مشين تعال نقرا سوري ما تنشط نقرا الكومنتس شوية نقرا متلوف لا جوزيف
The experiments killed everyone, including whoever you came back for. You know that right now, yes? Poppy showed you her story, of course. Innocence is bliss. And she is so innocent. Did she tell you her part in our journey? That she knew it was coming? Or did she leave out that crucial detail? Yes, that wouldn't surprise me. Has she not strung you along, betrayed you, and told you only what you needed to know to do exactly as he asked? We've seen what they do to each other. All they want is violence. Look around. Evidence for it is everywhere. Once they had choice, once they were free, this was their creation. They've made hell real and trapped us both there.
يمكن Okay.
Well, he dead.
Okay, so. شو المس؟ فتحها.
You realize the futility of this, don't you? Meat rots and loses its function. It's as replaceable as anything else. You're accomplishing nothing.
Dispense, sure. Tajdlix li għanna dal-bullshit ta' ħin bil-bilda, bil-CO2. Stja bil-ħin jgħat. Mux tajb ximkien.
Cognitive functionality appears better.
Always will be. I know
Cognitive functionality.
always will be. I know you're scared. You're hurt. But this is play care. Your new home.
Jasna. Issa fejn ma nagħmel.
Do you think they'll be nice to me, Dr. White? Whoever adopted me?
Ma naħsibx da. Ġad il-logħba. Kollox jagħmlu biex jagħmlu l-ħajja għal l-itfal.
This is play care. Fadal x'nsejn, dan rridu nidħlu fejda.
Anything yet? No, nothing. Cognitive functionality appears minimal at best.
Send them up to secondary lab. Maybe they can scrounge up something. Anything yet?
No, nothing. Cognitive functionality appears minimal at best.
Great. Send them up to secondary.
PJ Pagakiller.
Cognitive functionality appears minimal at best.
Great. Send him up to secondary lab.
Fej kienu jagħmlu l-esperimenti,
Anything yet?
No, nothing. Cognitive functionality appears minimal.
Into their whims. Playtime hurt us. My experiments hurt us. Do you think Parti cares about us? She'd sacrifice you in an instant if she believed it meant getting what she wants. The only difference between her and I, the only difference, is that what I fight for actually gains
Part 4, Kieran.
something. Otherwise, what was any of this worth? Would you simply make all that sacrifice meaningless?
Feeling will pass. Just a pinch. That's all.
Why can't I feel anything?
Eżattament x'qed nagħmlu, propju l-biċċa tax-xogħol. It was uncalled for. Nżammuha. biex tidħol. بس أنا delete مش تحضر ما نستطيعش نبدلوها طيب رجعوا وصفه بس ما عرفنا موفمنت
Just like them, a blind, scurrying little rat. You think poor Yarnaby was my only pet? You know far less than you believe.
فين البتر الأخرى هناك تايت لا دين فرسي هناك لا بس لا دين طيبة لا ما غادير من هذا بكويت يمين ما قلت لك شيء كلمنيش بكويت وسطيا طيب تفكر لي يعود المواجهة
Please see that he doesn't eat all of you. I'd like there to be some.
هسا ما تعرف ينقص نفتحو داك البيب دان متحسنيش
Do you believe you're taking the moral high road? Is that what you believe? Dear friend, let me illuminate for you an obvious truth. Survival necessitates choices. Difficult choices. This one is yours. If you want to leave this room, it'll come at a cost.
Likes check.
It's this little life or
7K.
yours. You know what you have to do. Just the slightest pull, and you snuff whatever minuscule bit of light still flickers behind those faraway eyes. That brutish glob of clay would do it. Poppy would do it. It's your mission. The door will open. Or is maintaining the veil of your morality more important? Act quickly.
خلوه خاين احسب
Have it your way. Come on in. The doctor will see you now.
شك الأول فوتيت لي
disappeared. I do. Off somewhere. Somewhere. Far. Beyond this place. Beyond any place. A bell. For whom does it toll, you think? A wounded little pup lifts its head beneath the shadow of the master's raised foot. For whom does that bell now toll?
Confront the doctor. Bidi l-kamra naħseb deret fil-teasers il-dawitfo.
Not even the ground beneath your feet.
Hello. No power. Għanna l-robotis xinsibu. Xieħbad. Għandix id-għax kien dak.
It's the doctor.
You will be put to good use.
Nice car. Perfect.
Kommet tavruhom jamlu li ħajta mizerja. Mux. Kun sawjaf maħares li għamma jxinu. Bitch. Nsibu l-batteries l-oħrajn. Nisma' xbin. Issa. Oh, it's like which one I know.
Its machines are nothing to me. A childish fantasy of a naive, broken man. They won't serve you. Nothing. can.
Sabaħ jgħalna għal-għu għal-bat jisimaħ nix nizaw. Jekk ma jtinix attak tal-qalb illum, mhux ħajtini. Nizel il-lift, l-entrance. Asna batterija oħra niddejna. Sabna kien nittabna nitħanix. ħafna kompist. Ma nafx fejn jinsejjer. La, sejjer taħi. Xmokku.
Bury myself so far down that no one will ever find me. Not you, not the prototype, not anyone.
Okay, aspetta la classe.
My recognition. I was the one who paid the gold.
Fej dawarni f'xer potent. X'kien niskopri dawarni f'xer potent? X'reġa ġabli jew? Intens, ħafna intens din il-logħba. X'għandna? Televisions. Acquire the Omni-Hand upgrade. Fejn l-Omni-Hand għandu u isfel. Konna l-Omni-Hand. Xieġmi, return to safe haven. Għawel ħafna 12k likes. Mela, għawni oħra. Sofra. Ruwa waħda blu. Smassa. Baħna, qtilna l-jarnabib, qtilna tabib. So, għaddejni għallu bassa. Xbana? Pratikament naħseb għaddejni għallu.
Yes! My signal's coming through! Finally! The doctor. He's dead. I didn't think I'd ever get to say that. You, my friend, are a hero. Again and again, you do the impossible. You got us here. And the end is coming. All that's left is him. Let's regroup at safe haven. Take stock. Talk more there.
Thank you, Roses stilla. L-achievement. Supposed to be safe havens. What's on the safe haven?
You have it! The Omni-Hand! Then we can do this. You have no idea what this means. It's everything. We've done what none of us ever could.
Oh, sa kuku tajta daqqa bjeda l-ommi ħin duqtilta mux.
And believe me, down here, that's worth something. Take a minute to catch your breath. I'm sure the others would love to talk with you. Zoe and I will be in the generator room whenever you're ready.
X'għandna ħanut ta' Fallout? Okay, so.
Good. You're here. Let's get started. Losing the doctor? It'll have gotten the prototype's attention. He'll be scared. He knows he's losing now. And the orphans are all he has. Now's the time to get to the Foundation. Make everything ready.
Look, we need to talk about this. We shouldn't... Just give it a second.
Ollie? You there? What's...
He's outside!
Ollie?
He's outside!
Who? Who's... Oh no. You need to distract him, Zoe. Please. Keep him away from here.
Without the generator!
I know, but he can't get in here. Not now. Just buy us some time.
Għajja
You'll
dawi.
have to fix the generator.
Għalli kif noħorġu minn hawn.
Work quickly. You won't
Ġiex
have a
bast
lot of
t-simant
time.
is-serkejn on the house.
Trust us, Zoe. Trust me.
Just get the generator working. Please.
Ġiex bast t-simant is-serkejn, neħdok tara l-imdina. Fis-sajf neħdok il-batar. Neħdok la bira, neħdu ċisk.
Ollie, if you can hear me,
Sa nitlaqni.
work with our friend here.
Aye, aye, Captain.
You can do this.
Xak. Jenna rda ħomż.
You heard her? Now let's get to it. First, you'll want to open the access panel on the generator. It's just a little door on the outside of the machine. Usually on the end. Whenever you're ready, flip the breaker switch. But be aware. Grab an external resistor. Attach that to the capacitor bank. Now use the Omni tool to override the generator. Pull it! Now put in a new one.
Inni għaxbik.
It's done. We did it. Good.
Xkien għandek il-good.
You did it.
Għaxbik.
Thank you isn't nearly enough. No word from Zoe. Whatever happened out there? No, he's fine. I'm sure of it. We shouldn't wait anyway. Head for the Foundation. Plant the explosives. Meet back here after. We'll go over what comes next.
Foundation fejn. Rotate. Forsi. مش مفتوح الأول. هذا كمان لو وديت شي حاجة كبيرة أو ضوي اوكي. بالسيف طيب انا الدعوة سريع تعيو
Sir, ma'am, I ask that you remain calm whenever you interact with the patient. He's only been awake a few days now. In many respects, he's still adjusting.
Is that him? Is that my boy?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Oh, George! That's our boy! Jackie!
Why does he look like that? What did you do to him?
Stop it, George. Just stop. That's our son in there. Our son!
Dear, look at him. That's not even human.
Let's just talk to him. You'll see. Let's just go in there and talk to him. Can we? Can we talk to him?
Yes, ma'am, you certainly can. Go on in, whenever you're ready.
Jack, I want you to know, I'm so sorry. I've never forgiven myself for what happened. I've played it all back 1,000,000 times in my head, and I know there had to be something I could have done. I could have reached just a little further. I could have noticed a little sooner. I could have... But we have you back now. That's what's important. We can...
Who are you?
Jack? Honey, it's me.
Get ready for a surprise.
It's Mommy.
Mommy?
Yes. Yes! It's Mommy and Daddy. You remember, don't you?
Leave me alone.
Hey. Hey, you'll be okay, I promise. Mommy's only here to talk.
No. No, I don't want to talk. Get out!
Susan, I think we should leave.
Jackie, I'm staying right here. I'm not leaving you. Not ever again. Do you hear me?
The gentle voices lie. I know what they do. They lie, and they poke, and they hurt. Susan, get away from me!
Jack? Mommy won't lie to you, Jackie. Mommy won't hurt you. I'd never hurt you.
Hey! Hey! Open this door! Oh, God. Susan! Please! Open the door! Please!
Okay, so daw għandu daqxej ta' anger issues. Like, anger issues bis-serjetà. To the storage tank. Storage tank. Done. Okay.
prototype. I lost track of him in the tunnels. Have you seen him? Was he at the Foundation? Or was he... What? What's going on? He's... I let him away, didn't I? The generator's fine. It's...
سtajni għadi. Għanna għaddejn satej u nofs.
Still alive.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I failed you. I was never what any of you needed. I was only made to hurt things. My fault. My fault. Hurt. Everything hurts. Hurt back. Always hurt back. Parents, scientists, everyone have to. My friends. He killed my friends. You. It all started with you. You and her. It was you who ruined everything!
Keith.
No, that's not true. They jump-started the generator. They destroyed everything! I'll kill you!
Proset. Jemjak. Jalla dal-post.
Just wanna play a little longer. Loud! Too loud! Why? I don't want to be here anymore.
Okay, reflection. naslu għal fuq.
You and Poppy! It's all your fault! But to kill you! Kill everyone who hurts me! Can't trust anyone! The gentle voices lie! You lie! I tried to be better, to be who they needed. Smart enough, not good enough, not... I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sekk il-plastising. X'realment li dak kien il-aspett il-miegħu kien.
I'm not sure if this thingy is on, but I need to talk, and I can't talk about this with anyone else. For the past few months, the fighting's been bad. Real bad. I've, seen a lot of stuff.
Ollie! Ollie! You hear me? Ollie! You! What did you do? Why did you kill Dowie? Do you even understand what happened? The prototype, Did you even plant the explosives? Ollie! Ollie, answer me! Please. Ollie! Something's gone horribly wrong. The safe haven...
Shelf ventilation block B6. Is this where you are, Poppy?
What?
Stay where you are.
And listen closely. You're not going to run. You're not going to fight. The charade is over.
Who is this?
An obvious question with an obvious answer.
You. What did you do with Ollie?
I'm right here, Poppy.
For you.
I'll always be here.
The doctor, Catnap, Mommy and Huggy, they're all dead. You have nothing now. No one. And soon, you'll have less than that.
Stop that.
You don't need to pretend anymore.
Poppy. You don't need to play at being stronger than you are.
You can
come home.
How much do you know?
Everything.
This isn't right. All those years. Was there ever an Ollie?
Yes, there was.
But that was a very long time ago. Let me tell you What's next?
I'm going to come up there. And I'm going to
find you. Your collaborators. The few you have left, they will be dealt with.
What are you going to do with me?
I've got something special in mind.
I prepared it just for you.
And this one, you will never want to leave.
No. No, no, no. This entire time, you've lied to me!
Only because you've kept
missing the point.
I've taken the liberty of retrieving those explosives from the Foundation. Thanks for collecting them.
Those, by the way, I've put them to good use. I admit, though, I'm disappointed.
After all that time in your case, I'd hoped you'd see things
differently. Don't you understand?
It's always been about you
and we'll hobby what we are. That's not a truth that can be burnt away. No, not when it can mean so much more.
Prototype. Please.
It's time to come home.
Hobby.
It's time to come home.
I can't go back in the case. I can't. I'm sorry.
No, dat was dus oorlog.
Some friend, huh?
Don't worry, I'll find her.
As for you two, try to land on your feet.
الجبل. نزلنا أكتر في الفوت ما تثبتش عند الفابريكا. أو شغلة flowers.
Hi, my name is Leith Pierre, and I'm the head of innovation here at Playtime Co. If you're seeing this, you must be very, very lost. Well, rest assured, friend, our state-of-the-art laboratory is just up ahead. Why don't you just go on inside and tap one of our scientists on the shoulder? Tell them you're lost. They'll be glad to help. All right. Let's be honest. You're not supposed to be here. This is the single most high-security, high-clearance section of the whole factory. When someone finds you down here, you will be shot. And before you get any ideas, don't think you can just sneak away either. No, the second you put this tape in, it set off an alarm. So if anyone's home, they know exactly where you are. Pretty nifty, huh? Security is very important to us here. If I were you, I'd start running.
Zom. Lestejna chapter 4. Lestejna chapter 4 sa fl-aħħar. Stream ta' kważi 3 sigħat.
Nice car. Perfect.
Well done, Bob.
Thank you. Sa fl-aħħar għamilniha sabiħa ħafna, ħafna sabiħa minn twila ma on point. To be fair, bdejt nara ftit reviews ħafna nies bdew jgħidu li kienet boring. Ma tantx laqtithom jiena 5 stars, 10 on 10. Bħalma kienu kollha s'issa u l-fatt li ħaggi reġa' mill-return. The bomb. Naħseb dal stream nistgħu nagħlqu hawn. Thank you kulħadd kull min kien hawn. Napprezza. Tantx kienet boring sabiħa interessanti ħafna ġbitnien. Il-boss fights, jarna bees, kollha. Ħafna puzzles itwal minn chapter 3 kienet naħseb. Fil-fatt l-stream ma kienx daqshekk twila ta' chapter 3. Insomma, thank you tal-li kontu għaw. Grazzi kulħadd.